Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for 2017 and up Ford F-250s, 350s, 450s, and 550s. The 108-FD7B. This kit is painted a scratch-resistant matte black to match your factory finish and is specifically designed for the new Pioneer DMH-C 5500 NEX 8-inch radio. Now with this kit, you'll be using your factory climate control panel and top switches. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the XSVI-5524-NAV. Your antenna adapter will be the 40-EU10, and steering wheel controls will be the ASWC-1. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.